I have the pleasure of showing you guys the new features that we're adding into our load map and to our PC Miler integration in summer 25 here. So I'm going to share my screen so you guys can see the new features that we're adding in, starting off with our load map. First off, what I want to show you guys is our new features with the zoom in, zoom out, and click and drag features. So you can see we have our buttons in the top left corner here to zoom in and zoom out. You can also use your scroll wheel on your mouse. And you also have the ability to click and drag the map as well, so you can see the different route features that you want to see on a map. Something else that we've done, we know that weather has gotten in the way of routes sometimes, so we've done a couple things to help out with that. So first off, we've actually made the weather patterns 60% translucent, so you can see through them a little bit better. And you'll notice that in the bottom right corner here, we have the hide weather button as well. So if they're still getting in the way, you have the ability to turn off the weather features on the map as well. You'll notice we also have some yellow flags here as well. Those are what we call our breadcrumbs, so you can see where the truck's location has been in relation to this load on this map as well. And again, if those are distracting, we do have the button to turn that off as well, so you don't see those yellow flags. And we still keep on that current location icon of the truck, so you can always see that icon as well. Jumping into our PC Miler features that we've added, you'll notice that we've added this route options button here in the bottom right corner, right next to that hide weather button. And that links to our PC Miler integration. So if you're using Rand McNally for a different customer, you actually won't see that route options button, but you'll still be able to see it for the PC Miler integration. And so these are additional touch points that we have with PC Miler to update the routing and the mileage for the load based on the needs that you have for that specific load here. So you'll notice there's a few options here. We've always had the API routing and the API borders option for PC Miler. We've added these 5 options here down at the bottom for our toll roads, for our equipment routing restrictions, for hazmat routing as well. So that's going to dynamically render for hazmat loads specifically. And then we have the option for mileage API highway only and mileage API override restrictions for the mileage calculation on the load. So you'll notice when I switch this to from using toll roads to always avoid, and I hit that save button, up at the top here, you'll actually notice that the route changed from going through Canada to going through the US to avoid those toll roads as well. Something to note on that is that we're actually going to pull that information from the customer's transportation profile when you build the load. So those defaults are going to come in automatically when you build a load for a specific customer.